got cut off. So I'm just going to have to do this manually, I guess. But here's the beginning works of it. I'm going to do like a lightness and darkness thing, and it's going to like go into the middle. So let me see if I can pause this and then get my camera set up to where you guys can actually see the pour. Okay, so there's no way possible for me to prop my camera up for this, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed. If not, I will show you guys just the final results. So I'm going to like tilt this one around a little bit. Trying to get it to cover the whole canvas without moving it too much. The key is to do it slowly. And now for my thumb. I may just actually pour some of, or like scoot some of that with my finger to cover up the edges a little bit. So there's that one. And I'll torch it and show you guys then. This one I think is going to be prettier. I don't know, I might not have put enough paint on there. There's that. And I'm actually going to pause this and come back. Let's see